Today we're going to show you how to make coffee without a coffee machine. My name is Domingo, and today we're going to show you how to make coffee without a coffee machine. If you have these regular kitchen items, then you will be set. Here's what you need. You need a pot, you need boiling water, and you need a cover for the pot, like here. So the first thing that you do is you boil some water and bring it to a full boil. And then once you bring it to a full boil, I will show you the next step. Alright, so once the water boils, what you do is you turn off the heat and you take it off the heat immediately. And then what you do is you take any ground coffee that you have, and with every 6 ounces of water, you add a tablespoon. So we're going to add a few tablespoons to the mix. That's about 12 ounces of water here. And then what you do is you stir it. You stir the coffee in the pot. That's it. You stir it in the pot. And then what you do is you cover it for at least 4 to 5 minutes until it is ready. Alright, so once you left your coffee brewing in there for about 4 to 5 minutes, it should look like this, and it is freshly brewed. So all you get to do is you pour it in a cup and then you drink it. So I'm going to test out the first cup right now. I'm just going to get a spoon and ladle it in. So with a pan, you have to use like a ladle, and then you just scoop and then you pour it in the cup. And it's freshly brewed coffee right here. And all the grounds have dissolved into the pan, as you can see. And that's what you do. Now you can see some grounds here, but you just stir it as you go. You just stir it into the pan and then it'll dissolve the grounds here. But yeah, this looks really good. Fresh brewed coffee with only a saucepan and boiling water. Thank you much for watching.